location intelligence solutions. Geospatial is really the key for an organization. Sustainability is a big challenge. So the customers save 25 million.
The World Geospatial Industry Council. We have our guest today, Narendra Babu Vattem. Welcome, Narendra. Thank you so much for speaking with WGIC. First question to you is, I see that iSpatial Technologies has laid out a vision to deliver smart solutions for making a difference to client success, and it is catering to a number of sectors with a wide range of technologies. For the benefit of WGIC members and the geospatial ecosystem, can you share what are your top 3 solutions?
Yeah, thank you, Banu. Just facilitating iSpatialTech as a WGIC member and facilitating this meeting as well. And I really appreciate your time and effort having this kind of a conversation, actually. So I'm always excited to share my experience and knowledge to the community. And I see that WGIC is one of the large community across the globe and having a multiple people, and it will give us really the lot of knowledge sharing and a lot of experience in terms of collaboration aspects, actually. So thank you for this meeting today. And definitely, I'm happy to share our experience and our journey towards the our discussion point today. So mainly, iSpatial Techno Solutions, we started 10 years back, and we are very focused in enabling location intelligence solutions. We understand the demand for the solutions, even transforming from the sector, from the data management point of to a solution point of view. So where we started the organization with all our innovation. So we build a lot of innovative products on top of industry-best solution, software solution provider and the ESRI. When we started enabling their value, the foundational platform, and solving the customer challenges in terms of different sectors like city governments and also the state governments, and as well as the spatial data infrastructure. From there, we expand into the utilities sector and oil and gas and energy as well. So we see that geospatial is really the key for an organization as an enterprise environment point of view. Definitely, it will give a better value. So that is where we are focusing on nowadays. Last 10 years, we deliver a lot of 100 plus different solutions for different customers, actually. So our key success is we are always focusing on delivering the innovative solutions to solve our customer challenge, actually. It's not just for delivering a solution. So really how effectively the solution is solving the customer problem. And that is where we are having a continuous innovation and delivering the value to our customer. So when it comes to our top 3 solutions, when you talk about, actually, nowadays we see that we are all having sustainability is a big challenge, actually. So the environmental, the net zero, environmental compliance, net zero, and even so many aspects, which is GIS can really play a big role in this area, and where we have been working last 4-5 years. Effectively adding a value to our customers, and one of the large customer portfolio is an environmental sector, actually, and also the digital grid, and now the utility sector is also transitioning from the traditional way of data management and analytics. Actually, beyond that, they want to really transform the real-time operations into a visualization of the field people and all the end-to-end operations, actually. So even from planning, operations, and even the compliance, monitoring, HSE, all these things. So we see that even the kind of technology, the location intelligence technology nowadays is enabling towards the mobile and AI, and also with the location intelligence analytics will really helps for optimizing their operations, actually. So the third part is we are focusing more on the smart government. So where our core expertise is spatial data infrastructure program, and where we collaborate with all the government entities and build a sophisticated spatial data infrastructure program for our customers in the UAE. And also we enable the data into an intelligence platform, even now with the generative AI, with LLM models, integrating with the open data platform, where we are able to show geographically the growth of the country for 50 years, what kind of the changes was happening in terms of the education, health, environmental, like even 13 different sectors actually. So that will enable us to focus more on the our experience with SDI and with the federal government as well. So that will help us to focus on this is the three areas we really adding a better value nowadays actually. Yes.
Okay, thank you so much, Narendra. Next question is I'm specifically interested in understanding iSpatialTech's smart city solutions and
Right.
how you're leveraging geospatial data along with artificial intelligence and other technologies to improve urban infrastructure, transportation, public safety. Can you please share an example of one such solution you implemented?
The smart city is the big concept actually. So when you are transforming your data to an IoT sensors, and also even just not only monitoring of the videos and even the air quality or sensors of really understanding about the behavioral aspect of the city, and we even the location intelligence with IoT integration with AI capabilities, understanding about deep planning and computer vision, and also extracting so much of underlying patterns of the data, it really helps to enable in a city government operations into a smart way. So especially even if you talk about anything, you need to know about the where. Okay, smart city, even without location intelligence, you will not fulfill the full dimension of the whole thing actually. Even nowadays it's moving towards the 3D and also the BIM, and these are all things that is transformation is happening that will take little time. But where we offer our services to our customer is we integrate with the IoT sensors and with air quality live monitoring of that, also integrating with the cameras and extracting certain objects from the cameras as well. As well as the third part is like from the satellite imagery and other imageries, we extract a lot of features actually from using the GeoAI capabilities actually. So we are able to show that how the city was transformed over the years, and even the future aspect of it, if they want to plan certain things, what would be an impact actually, so they could able to study that. So we help environmental studies for the part of the smart city and initiatives, and also we help the monitoring of the city government operations actually. And also we develop some lot of live dashboards and showing about beyond the visualization of the live cameras, we are able to give some kind of early detection of those incidents, whatever it is, from the using the AI and object detection as well actually.
Okay, that's fantastic. Any example or something, a project that you have implemented in the past few years on
Yeah.
this?
Yeah, actually, one is the live air quality analytics, which I have implemented for our customer, and where we the customer used to generate this information, like it was like every year they're compiling it actually. So we see that report, and then we discuss with our customer, and then we transform that whole thing into a live operation system, and integrating with all the air quality stations and across the city, and we are able to give instant reports for daily, hourly, yearly, and as well as monthly, so they could able to do the kind of comparison actually. So this is one of the live example which we already delivered to our customer. And the second example was even the city has a lot of imagery data, and there was certain areas they identified that there is like a lot of the water got stuck there, and why it is happening, when it is happening, which they don't know about it actually. So we go back to the historical imagery, we extracted the water bodies, we did the comparison of those all things, so we could able to give the insight to the customer, saying that okay, this year this was happened, this year this was happening, this year. So based on that, we integrated with their operational data, and also along with that, we also identified there are some camps and there are some activities was happened. So we could able to understand the root cause analysis, and then we given a report that these are all the activities happen in this particular area. Maybe there was temporary camps was happened, and then they left. This is the cause was happened. So there was a construction was happening during that time. This was happened during the construction time, so that they go back and talk to the customers, the vendors. So they are asking them to clear those things actually. So the customer saved 25 million dirhams out of this exercise. Otherwise, if they want to clear up all the things in line with the environmental, they have to spend those money actually. So we helped using the GeoAI and integrating with other systems, and we could able to give a right analysis. So this is one of the example actually.
Thank you so much, Narendra. These are, I think, some excellent examples in understanding the environmental impact. Can you also tell me how is this geospatial and AI bring together, creating or expanding opportunities for businesses?
Yeah, this is good. Good thing is like even when you talk about the city governments or utilities actually, and utilities, when you talk about the utility sector actually, so they have a major challenge even for the US. PG&E has also having a lot of incident happen because of the trees was creating a lot of growth, was creating an impact with the operations of the utilities actually. So these areas where we are able to identify the tree canopies and understand the growth pattern of that, and we are able to show not only the utility sector actually. So even for the city government urban planning also, they have a mandated KPI to make sure that the tree canopy is increased and the carbon sequence calculations are increased, so it reduces the carbon footprint of the city actually. So there are so many like this kind of use cases. These two are use cases which we already implemented for our customer. So this is using the GeoAI, and we develop a deep enhanced models, understanding about the tree canopy cover, understanding the tree heights and the density of those areas, and we did the carbon sequence calculations, and we are able to provide in line with compliance. So we increase the carbon footprint, the tree canopy cover, and then increase the carbon sequence calculation. So so that it will really helps to protect the environmental point of view, and as well as for the overlaying with the utility lines, we are able to show that these are all trees might cause the problem. So these are all the hot spots. You need to keep on doing inspections and those kind of maintenance of those areas instead of focusing on the whole thing. So they can focus only the impacted areas actually. So we have provided all these hotspots to the customer, and then they can do the create a work order. They can able to go and do the inspections based on this work order as well actually. This is the two use cases I can say that, but there are like even last 5 years we build we build a brain platform. So the brain is the artificial intelligence with the location intelligence combination with IoT sensors integrated to the platform. Even it integrated with a lot of technology platforms like Azure AI platform, and as well as IoT hub and these areas. So this will enable us to even provide our better value to our customer actually. So
Can you also throw some light on iSpatialTech's enterprise AI solutions?
yeah, this is actually the enterprise AI solutions for the iSpatial, which is the brain platform, which is the core actually.
Yeah.
I can say that. So this is the brain platform helping us to, even 2018, we understand like even if I go a little bit back the establishment of the GIS, the iSpatial Techno Solutions. So we offer low code and no code solutions in 2012 13 in a GIS and as well as in IT sector as well. So we have a product called Ecube Software and Ecube Apps. Still running. We have around 1,500 customers already on the platform, and it's a SaaS-based platform where they can able to create their own forms, reports, and they can do a lot of field inspections, data collection, and paper-based. It's all helping paperless process actually. So we see that the industry is transforming towards the AI. So what we can do beyond actually. So then with 2018, we identified that, okay, if we want to go beyond, and then we identified the brain platform. And because all the organizations are having a data silos in other systems actually. So the integration analytics playing a role. Yes, but what beyond? So that's what we are thinking about. Okay, integrating with the GIS really helps. Okay, that is fine. Currently, already a lot of companies are doing it. So we want to go more actually. So that is where we build a brain platform. and enable the AI capabilities on top of it and IoT integration. So a lot of data lakes was created, and even nowadays, what we are hearing in 2024, so many things about cloud platform and all these components which we build in part of the Brain platform actually. So over the years, we matured and we deliver a lot of customer solutions to our customers, like even whatever we talk about the live air quality and also live bird tracking solution to our customer. Yeah, even for the city government integrating with their gas sensors integrated with the Brain platform and show the live incident reports, and is it in line with compliance or not, we were able to show that. So even the identifying the early detection of the methane leaks from the image processing as well. So that is also part of the, so there are different scenarios which we already implemented, around 16 17 different use cases we have applied to our, based on different kind of challenges to our customers actually.
Okay, thank you so much for enumerating this. The second part of this conversation would be your association with WGIC. I would like to understand what brings iSpatialTech to WGIC, and how do you see the business aspirations of iSpatialTech aligning with those of WGIC?
Good thing to know. I have been following a WGIC like last 2 years or something like that, and I met a couple of conferences in GeoBiz, which is organized by Geospatial World, and as well as the GeoGov conference, which have been presenting our Geo AI solution for smart government and as well as for the utilities as well. So I just got to know about the kind of an initiatives as hybrid is happen actually. So I feel like we are part of a ESRI part business partner, as well as Microsoft business partner. Also, we work with my IBM as well. So, but the thing is, we see that that is a technology partnership point of view, but we also understand the industry point of view actually. So then we see that the geospatial world is doing a good job, and where we are actively working with geospatial, and then WGSC we joined with that to enhance our collaboration and understand the industry's direction as well, and also even we are happy to contribute our innovation and best practices knowledge sharing to the community, and also the even we cannot expand our innovation things to the globally, so we need a kind of this kind of a platforms will help us to reach to the right partners, and also right even each geography has different challenges actually. So we have even that will help us to innovate better, understanding about the local challenges, even understanding the customer challenges and our best practices, bringing that to the another sector as well, actually another geography as well, actually. So this is where we are being very active in participating globally. All this geospatial knowledge sharing, and even we are contributing, and as well as we are gaining the knowledge out of it actually. So this really helps us to collaboration, and also the building a network, and also knowledge sharing, and also expanding our portfolio and footprint to across the global network. Yes.
And
Sure.
as I was telling you, WGIC is a global platform of geospatial companies with a very wide range of data, products, services, and solutions. And now you are part of WGIC. So, what are your views on leveraging the complementary strengths of WGIC member companies?
Yeah, definitely. We are very new to that WGIC now, and we are now just understanding the more about the how the committees works. What is the expectation from our side? So moving forward, I will get to know more about all these aspects. Then accordingly, we can prepare our plan and time effort and towards which is really appropriate for us to contribute better and also gain knowledge and in line with our strategic initiatives. Actually, thank you
Thank
very
you so
much.
much, Narendra, for speaking with WGIC. And welcome to WGIC once again. I hope you have a wonderful ride with partner companies and organizations within WGIC. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. I really appreciate Banu for your time and given me the opportunity to be part of the WGIC and expressing my viewpoint of today our discussion.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.